gusto nang pahinga at mag-spend ng time with our families. But you guys came here to support Pamilyas Nagdadal, to support us and our project.
Congratulations! Ang winner na ng show! Fine, hindi naman tayo. Hindi naman tayo nagkamalinis. Ang galing, congratulations for the bonggang ratings and viewership. Okay, Kyle.
Ay, hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang
Hindi ba pang Kyle dito?
Magandang po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagsama po sa amin. Kahit Sunday po ngayon, alam ko po, it's a family day for everyone. But thank you for spending your family day with Pamilyas Nagdadal. Thank you po.
And of course, everyone's favorite, Piolo Pascual.
Hello, Nagapon, President, of course, hindi naman po tayo mag-alat. Si Sir Putisha, thank you for spending your afternoon with us. Happy hour na.
Correct! Don't get me started sa happy hour, Kuya P. Piolo, this is your winningest year. One of your victorious years sa showbiz. Ako na una magtatanong, how does it feel?
Pinawisan ko dito.
Ang ganda nangyari, since January. Actually, festival pa lang di ba?
Paano ko natin sasagutin yan? I'm just really, I guess, grateful because, projects keep coming, and I guess when you decide to open your doors para sa mga bagong learnings and new beginnings, mas marami dumarating na blessings as long as you're open, willing, and you're committed to what you're doing.
At nakakapag-mentor ka nang sabi ko nga, tinataya ko na they're the next two drama prince ng Philippine showbiz.